For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go giz, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter. For this Niger, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better. Baba talks if you don't rise again. Mama shout, now who go pay the rent? Them promise change, we still dey wait, but we go still bet on government. Chelsea lose.
Let's do this set. Guys, that's the set.
Kudi owo. Open. It's been a long time.
I know, right?
Kudi owo.
See how your business is shining.
Kudi, it's not shiny.
Shiny.
It's not shiny.
And the one that we see in
It's
our
coconut
shop
this
today,
that I used to rub my face.
it's coconut. Me self now only boy I use rub my eye.
Kudi.
See, I
Ilule, the country is hard though.
I will see comes up.
I'm in problem right now.
Which problem?
All those work I have in my shop, I'm not giving them out. I have to run away. No light. I can't even buy fuel.
Be saying here.
The last time I bought fuel, 10,000 naira. Within how many hours? It was.
My brother, you know, say we safe na gem we on. Before you know it, now, I don't lock shop, I don't go.
It's not funny again now.
Good afternoon, Oga Carpenter.
Ah.
How are you?
How are you,
Omoge.
Silifa?
I did.
Silifa. Oya. Ori ẹ pé wàá ṣeré.
See, I don't tell you, say this thing where you dey drink, it no good for you.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni jẹ́ n gbọ́ràn. Look at it now. Orí bóyá ń ru ni. Look at it. Shout power.
I like shaping it. Madam, you have dropped us your job. Where you be going?
I will collect money now.
Oh yeah, give her money, sharp.
You come and sit down first.
Sit down now. Baba me. So like I was saying, because of fuel price has gone up, transportation don't high. Do you know how much I used come short today? Like double the price of my transport. It no even dey funny at all. It no dey fair. And I cannot blame all these people because they find money. All these do where they had. You won't buy food, they don't double the price. You won't buy anything, they don't double the price. Now so we dey live for this country. Cost of living won't cost us our life. You know even funny.
You see the way I'm looking at you. If I tell you my own, you will pity me. My way is far. Before. I can just see like maybe that kind of 2,000 naira to move out of my house and go back home. Now, I'm spending times 3 of it.
Are you serious?
Literally.
Country affects you.
Everywhere is no more funny.
Auntie Kudi. Oga Carpenter, if you see the way this country they do me and my mama, I know say na go she dey say. No, we no even get money. For me to register for my wife, no money.
You used to say I get money now. You used to say me you no carry my money run that time. I for don't say make I give you small, make I help you and your mama easy already. But as I tell you, say like this, I don't get anything.
And mama is a good person.
I know, and yet
I will have helped her.
Do you know the annoying part? Some of them carry their family members go abroad. Some of them even they abroad. They go come they support this bad governance.
Sheila Oniyen, that bros, I'm not lying to you. Egbon Oshi ni won. He doesn't have. I thought it was having sense. He doesn't have sense. It's very shameful. Imagine keeping his own family there. They are enjoying. Sheila, they are enjoying the country over there. They are having good environment.
Somebody who came up again, one actor and some actors and actresses they thought say Nigeria will get better.
Find it.
Hello.
Hi.
What is wrong with you?
Sorry, good afternoon.
Do you know him before?
I don't know him before.
You have to be careful. You have to be careful.
They stammer.
I came to do the usual.
You came to
That's,
which usual?
What are you doing?
This is my first time. This is not be your first time.
What do you do on a normal day?
What is wrong with you, gone? Any Gen Z?
Oh yeah, talk. What do you want to bet? What bet? Place your order. You stress me.
Help me put that Germany. That Germany. Or street
me. You want to put yourself in trouble?
That China. Win or draw.
Rihanna. Locking. How much you want stake? Just put small 50K.
50K. Small 50K.
This is the first time I'm seeing that
Shut
amount
up,
of
Joe.
money in my betting shop. Oh.
Why you saying it
Thank
like
God,
it's
though.
one big money like that?
What are you saying for
na
the
big
first time?
money.
For the first time in your shop, do you know what you have invested in this shop?
Na so.
Eh?
Oh yeah, I'm coming, Jerry. Make I do your this thing for you.
That's that you are spoiling everything, no? Eh? Those students is a Yahoo boy. He's a Yahoo. Look at him.
Wish Yahoo.
Just look at him now.
You
I can
sabi-
reach 50,000 to come and play game.
Calm down. You sabi the boy before.
Oh, I know a
Your
shame.
account number.
They will arrest you.
All of them.
You said that in this harsh condition. Not only you that Nigeria is happening to like this. So I beg.
But I know if you afford them.
Now so
Yahoo.
you don't do. Thank you very
Fine
much.
boy.
Customer.
Come on, go correct, baby.
I don't send them.
Come on, get out from here, Jock. You don't share. Mawo.
I don't send them.
Come on, don't sit that close to me. Get out from this place.
Wait,
Fine.
see. Wait, come they shout in my shop. Calm down. No, they shout. No be my money now.
All this Gen Z, eh?
Na customer. But she sọ̀rọ̀ tiwa lọ jàre. See, what is you fuel is expensive. Food is expensive. You go market, the price where you meet this morning. No be the price where you go meet for afternoon. Wetin I dey do for there?
Shebi, I told you. I
Face
told
your
you.
work now.
I should face my work.
Shengba.
And now, me to say Yavansa, shebi shimpo don go.
Don't, it's not because of that. She have Oju kokoro. There is cockroach in her eyes.
There's cockroach in her
Eh.
That one aside,
Ah.
as we were talking, see this country, me I'm tired. I will soon run away. I will soon run away. There's nothing you can
Me,
tell me.
right now.
I go run away.
Right now, I just need to finish all this work because I need money.
You need money. It's not only you that need money. See, to feeding is expensive. Transport is expensive. And yet, people like you, because I know you were one of the people that voted Tinubu that last 4 years. You were campaigning like a man, Dexter.
We dey talk
Abi
about the
next
problem.
election.
We know they talk about who cause am. He get one brother for here. Na he dey part.
Brother?
He dey part. One bros like that. Na he dey anchor the this thing, the campaign that year for this same guy. That brother.
Who be the brother?
That is guy.
Oga Carpenter.
Kí ló ń wẹ̀? What is wrong with my friend? That what is wrong with you?
Before you lie that your
Wow.
lie. Before you lie that lie where you want lie now. I see you, bros. That last 4 years, I see you. No lie am. Where you carry that carton?
Look at you, ọmọdé ni ẹ. You are just a small boy. You don't even know what is happening in the country. See what happened that time. They gave us this carton. And Tinubu, his picture was on it. Bam. Then when we open the carton, what did we see inside? Rice. Very small rice, spaghetti. Indomie too. They put oil
You
inside.
chop am abi you no chop am?
We ate it now.
Did you vote for him or you did not vote for him?
The reason why I voted for him was like, you know, the time he was governor in Lagos State, he did well,
Interesting.
He did well. So we believe he's going to do the same thing over there.
Wow.
But when he got there, about Ojojuwa, he really betrayed us.
I really remember you. Now you now. No be you lead all those people wey thief that box.
Show him Gen Z, serve these children.
Bros, you won't lie.
I just came there and they've already done the do. How will I put that
Who
one?
send them?
Why will I send them to steal ballot box? My own work is just to make sure everything is going in order.
That's it. Now that's part of it.
You
No,
won't use your
no.
own spoil my
That's
20s.
part of
See
it.
my 20s.
Listen to your
What happened to your 20s?
Fine boy.
If this is how you grew up in this Nigeria, you for survive, uncle? That time we go dey buy Pepsi 15 naira. Now na 500. Times 10. Abi you no sabi math.
Why would I talk?
We go buy am 30 naira. Now we dey buy am 150, 200.
That's true, it's tough. Fine
Well,
boy.
make I no lie. Now true the boy talk. Because like this, when you enter first, as he come stake and everything, me I call him Yahoo boy.
Yeah, he's a Yahoo boy, Joe. Kí ló ń sọ? He's a Yahoo.
Because he
Now to get money for this time now come hard for young people. I get online jobs where they do. But no, to people like you, na Yahoo.
What are you doing?
What
What are you doing online?
Are you a nepo baby? Are you a
Now
nepo?
it's not your business.
As long
Just
as
your work.
see me, I don't even know what can we do in this country that like make our life better.
Solution.
The solution.
All of us,
That's what people
all
like
of us, we just have to stay calm. I will not lie to you.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, keke pama.
Kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ náà? Ó ti fẹ́ padà gbogbo ẹ̀rú ni.
Sorry.
See, we just have to just stay calm. You understand? We work together as team. This time around, anything they bring for you, even though it's rice, they bring 10,000 naira, 20,000, 1 million. It's their money. But make sure you don't vote for them.
That's a lie.
Now go still vote for this guy again.
Oga Carpenter.
Look at you that your mother only. Eh? I went for God to say your mother carry money of Nippon. She carry it and run away. Share. That money can even change life.
Na lie. Mama talk say she no carry am.
Hey, wait. You dey talk say your mama talk say your mama with all the money wey she carry, your life no still better. You no still fit get WAEC money. Your mama no get WAEC money.
God go help us.
God will help you care. Your mama, the another part wey be say she go still carry placards next election say if you no vote for this person, you no go enter market. When thing happen,
Woman
come
be
dey
that
talk.
only.
Come dey talk.
Your mother is.
Why you come dey do one like this? You know they parts. No be the same generation una be.
What
Now all of una spoil.
Wow. Be careful.
I still
Be
remember.
careful.
He's talking to you or carpenter.
I can hear you now. I can hear you. I have to talk to her. What is wrong with this Gen Z girl? You are making life tiring for me, Jare.
You know why you won't break my
You won't
counter?
break our table.
Wetin happen?
I've already told you. What we need now is solution.
What we need is solution.
After you don't spoil and finish.
Exactly.
Why?
Girl, see what is going to happen.
What?
I will not lie to you. This coming election, we should all be wise and be smart. You, I'm not counting you because you are a minor. Koko Shikurumba. You are
Yes, she's a
getting me
minor.
upset.
My what?
Minor. See, she's a minor. Let me tell you. You know wetin they do for people when they carry minor now.
Wait.
When they go to beat you,
Come.
you
How
go
old
go jail.
I don't tell you my age now. Why is she?
How old is she come for you?
Wow,
You will
don't tell
sleep
me.
in jail.
She tell
You
me say she
will
be
go to
19
jail.
now.
You will sleep in
For your
jail.
life. Now me come meet you safe. I will first delete your number.
I know shame you will sleep in jail. Ẹ̀wọ̀n.
You just look like that monkey, old monkey that is in this room.
Old monkey that you pay her money, let her be going. If you say you are paid that, she will have gone. This one will not follow her meet her here. Yes, pay her money.
Pay me my money. Pay me
I
my
go
money.
still
Let
lock
me
my
go.
shop.
Tell us something. What is wrong with you?
Rubbish.
I go
bro.
still lock my shop.
Show me help you pay.
Aláìní too shameless
After
man.
nine,
What
you
is
call me
wrong
Yahoo
with you, God? If you want to pay, you pay. Shey person wey dey do good dey talk and say I wan do good.
Ó yá
Yeah,
pay, ó yá pay, ó yá
They call me Yahoo
pay.
boy before.
You told me what you are doing now. Me, I was thinking you're a Yahoo boy. Yahoo.
He don't do jumping into assumption. Assumption, you know, it's all this assumption.
What is wrong with you, guys?
Me, my own is that as the next election they come, make everybody
Don't
get
put any
sense.
other money, extra money. I do not trust you. This is your brain.
Make everybody get sense as this next election they come. Me, I don't want to hear anything because me, I'm tired of this country. Before you know it, I
I
go
don't
soon
send am
japa.
already.
Thank
Come
you.
on, God will be with you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, bye bye.
Video.
Come and be patronizing us again.
Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, come and patronize us again.
Hey, I beg.
Let us see, man. Look
Where
at
are you going to? Where are you going to? Come on, money. You want to implicate
I want
him?
to go house now.
You want no? When I'm locking shop, we'll go out together. Baba carpenter, you know your mama law. You have overstayed your
I'm
welcome.
going.
Thank
I
you.
will Ariwo. What is wrong with you, gone?
It's okay. Come and
Look at
keep going.
Drogba, Obo Edino. Nonsense.
Nonsense. And
Oh,
then
let me
look,
carry
whatever
my
you
good
go and
daddy.
drink what you want to drink and affect your life. Before you know it, make you know they carry placard say you want kidney.
I
kidney
don't understand
transplant.
you. What more? Oh yeah, stand up. I'm taking you to your house. Cause one to cover me.
Shey na you bring me
Don't put
come
me in
ni.
problem.
No be you bring me come.
Move to one go relo. Look at you, Opelege.
You say they go, hold that ball.
Eh.
Bye bye. Make better customer enter my shop.
For this Naija, we go see the bed for better wahala. For this Naija.